In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send Gmail emails for new Zendesk tickets through a Zendesk Gmail integration. This is a fantastic way to streamline your customer support process, ensuring that all your communications are neatly organized and efficiently managed. Let's dive in. First, we need to start by navigating to the Zendesk website. Open your preferred browser and head over to Zendesk, the complete customer service solution. Once you're on the homepage, look for the Sign In option. This is usually located at the top right corner of the page. Click on it to move forward. Now you'll be prompted to enter your login details, specifically your email and password. Enter these carefully to avoid any login issues and proceed by clicking Sign In again. After signing in, you'll find yourself at the agent home for tickets. Here, look for the settings icon, typically resembling a gear. This will take us where we need to go next. Next, we move into more advanced settings. Click on Go to Admin Center. This section is crucial because it allows us to configure various aspects of our Zendesk account, including our email settings. Once in the Admin Center, look to your left and find Channels. Click on it and you'll be presented with several options. From these, choose Email. Now it's time to connect your Gmail account. Hover over Add Address. You'll see an option to connect external address. Click on that. Then you'll see an option to select a connection type. For our purposes, select the Gmail connector. This is the tool we use to link our Gmail account with Zendesk. After selecting the Gmail connector, you'll want to click on Continue with Google. This step is essential as it grants the necessary permissions for Zendesk to access your Gmail account. Follow Google's straightforward prompts to authorize the connection. Make sure you're logged into the correct Google account associated with your customer support emails. Finally, simply continue to follow any additional on-screen instructions that Google provides. These are designed to complete the integration and guarantee that all your settings are correct. By following these steps, your Zendesk account will be configured to efficiently send Gmail emails automatically whenever new tickets are created. This seamless integration ensures that your customer service operations are both efficient and comprehensive, allowing you to focus more on resolving issues and less on managing your tech stack. And there you have it. A fully operational Gmail Zendesk integration that will keep your customer support processes running smoothly. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more guides like this. Thanks for watching.